Ever pondered on the secret to creating your very own delicious chicken shawarma at home? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind this Middle Eastern delicacy and bringing it straight to your kitchen. The magic starts with a simple marinade. Combine olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, minced garlic, ground coriander, ground cumin, turmeric, ground cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Whisk these ingredients together until they form a harmonious blend of flavors. Next, introduce some boneless, skinless chicken thighs to this aromatic marinade. Ensure each piece is well coated with the marinade for optimum flavor. Once every piece is fully immersed, cover the bowl and let it sit in your refrigerator. While a minimum of 1 hour will suffice, allowing it to marinate overnight will undoubtedly yield the best results. While the chicken marinates, prepare the shawarma sauce. This creamy, tangy sauce is the heart of any good shawarma. Combine tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and a dash of salt in a bowl. Stir until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Now, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, add the marinated chicken. Cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and has a beautiful golden brown color. While the chicken rests, warm up your pita bread. You can do this on a pan over medium heat or in a preheated oven. This step is crucial as warm pita bread is more pliable and absorbs the flavors better. Now assemble the shawarma. Spread a generous amount of the tahini sauce on the warm pita bread. Then, add the cooked chicken, thinly sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. You can choose to add other toppings, such as pickles or lettuce, according to your preference. Finally, roll up the pita bread tightly and wrap it in foil to hold everything together. And there you have it! Your homemade chicken shawarma is ready to be devoured. To summarize, the steps to creating a tantalizing chicken shawarma at home are: 1. Prepare the marinade and let the chicken soak in it for at least an hour. 1. While the chicken marinates, prepare the tahini sauce. 1. Cook the marinated chicken until it's golden brown. 1. Warm the pita bread. 1. Assemble the shawarma with the cooked chicken, tahini sauce, and your preferred toppings. 1. Roll up the pita bread and wrap it in foil. So go ahead, try this recipe and bring the flavors of the Middle East into your kitchen. Enjoy!